want to send your ward for study abroad, to be an international student definitely requires dedication. It takes a lot of cost and tuition charges as well compared to the country where you are in. Now, if you are targeting to countries like Australia, Canada, Singapore, UK or United States, 5 of these countries do accept one of the examinations which is known as AP, Advanced Placement. So what is the benefit of doing this AP examination and how can you actually reduce this college fees? So the idea is college fees for one subject technically ranges somewhere from $2,000 to $4,000. And if you give this AP examination for one subject, it would cost you somewhere from $100 to $200. Now, this brings in a huge gap in terms of reducing the college fees. Now, what is the benefit of applying for AP? AP actually intends the first year coursework in your undergrad program or your bachelor's program. So let's say there are 4 courses which are offered in the first year. If you have taken the AP examination for those 4 courses, then you would be exempted from appearing or from taking those courses. That means you are saving 1 semester straightforwardly. So not only reducing the college fees, you are also saving in terms of time, your total stay in that country. So that's one of the advantages. But note, sometimes a student think that they can take n number of AP examinations. No, maximum AP that you can take a good amount is maximum of 8. Technically, we say 4 to 8 APs are good enough to actually reduce your course burden for 1 semester or 1.5 semester at the max. So that's what you should actually intend for. And international students, definitely they do get a good benefit if they apply for this AP examination. Talking about this AP examination a little more, the AP examination occurs only once in the month of May. There are 2 testing windows. One is from 1st to 5th May and the other is from 8th or 7th to 12th May. And then there is again a late testing facility from 16th to 18th of May. But all those examinations occur in the month of May. The enrollment for the AP examination starts in the month of September. So the first registration window is open from September to November. The second registration window opens from December to March. So you can apply in any of the registration window. However, if you go for window 2, there is no refund. In window 1, you do get refund in case you intend not to appear this year and you are not well prepared. Again, in window 2, you are charged a little higher, around 2000 to 5000 rupees more as compared to the first window. So definitely, if you have a mindset, start your preparation right away from September itself. So by the month of May, you are ready with your examination and preparation, and that's a good way to definitely reduce your college charges while you are studying abroad, being an international student. For more information, follow the links below for AP. Have a good day.